Hello, dear traders! Welcome back here with Eric Munoz in Lion Bull Academy. Today we're gonna talking about the graphicator of eToro, what it is, for what is done, and a little bit how to use it. So let's begin. Let's first find out where is the graphicator. Let's go to the Nasdaq. Click in Nasdaq. Here you have some different buttons. You have the Fed, the stat, and the chart. You just click in chart, and here is your graphicator. You can click here for make bigger and have access to all the tools give us the graphicator of eToro. Now, second one, what is this graphicator? The graphicator, the chart, is just visual representation of the movement of the price of an instrument in a determinate time. That's what is. Show to us how develop the movement of the price in the past and in the actual moment. For what is used the graphicator, the chart? Is used for make technical analysis, for try to guess, that's what it is, with some really it's not perfect science. You have a lot of probability to fail the test, the analysis, but they normally tend to working enough good for we can make some money from this analysis. So what is exactly for what is used? Is used, how I say you, for guess where will be the price in the future, if it will be up or down. Like this, we can try to speculate in that movement of the price and make some money in that time. Also, exists many ways to see the graphic. We have example, the candles, that is what you see now, right now, the hollow candles, the bar candle, the lines, and the mountain. I recommend to use the candles. Why? Because give very big details about what happened to the price. Show to us the enter price, the open price, the close price, the high and the low, and which movement was doing the price in a determinate time. If you don't know how to read in candles, don't worry. I have a video also about that. You just go write in candles, Japanese candle or candles Lion Bull Academy and you can find it, or just go to the playlist basic course English and you can find it also there. So now you know a little bit what is the graphicator. You know that we use for make analysis techniques for try to understand where gonna go in next the price and the important levels that we can look in. Now let's look in a little bit more about the button we have here in this bar. First of all, we have the short button is for short the market. This means that we think that the price will go down of this instrument. Then we click short. That is, we can make money by when the price going down. And then we have the buy button, the long button, how say investors, is when you thinking that the price of one instrument gonna going up, then you buy for make money in when the price start going up. Next here we have time frame. What is this? It's just a representation in time of how much value have how much time represent each candle. What's mean that? Every candle need a time for formate. Now we are now here in 1 day. It means that each candle represent 1 day of movement of the market with his beginning price, his end price, his high price, and his low price. Like this, you can have a representation what happened in that precisely day. If you put in 5 minutes, will show you the movement of each candle represent the movement of the price in 5 minutes. Each candle represents 5 minutes of the movement of the price. Okay, now you know a little bit also about that. Let's now go look in the tools. We just click here, where is this pencil? And we have tools, studies 1 and studies 2. Tools is the tools like we can have the measurement for looking how for measure the point to one point to another of the distance to one point to another of the graphic. Channel for drawing some channel, annotation for writing something, Fibonacci for make a Fibonacci. You have a video also about that. Just writing Fibonacci, Lion Bull Academy, and you will find it. Then we have a horizontal line, vertical line. Well, okay, we have many. Now we're going to explain some one of them. Then we have studies 1 and studies 2. They are the indicators. You have a complete playlist about indicators. You just need to look in indicators, Lion Bull Academy. You will find a playlist for sure. In my channel, just go to the channel, go in the playlist zone, and you can find it. You have also one playlist of strategies, the Bible of strategies. You can see how to use some of them indicators also in a strategy. And you have the basic course who explain everything about eToro and the platform. You can find also a lot of information. So let's start now with one of the importance, like say the horizontal line. What is this and for what is used? Normally, yes, you use it for represent to yourself important points. Like in this case, I draw in here one resistance level. I can put him down and then become a support level. It's just for yourself for see the nice important points, key levels of the market. You can create different ways of this tool. Example, let's say I now change the color to red and put him in dots. So I can use this one for put my stop loss. Let's say example, I go inside of 13,000 and I have my stop loss is 11,500. I can use this horizontal line for make a graphic representation or where is my stop loss. Why? Because eToro don't make automatic in the graphic, don't show automatic your stop loss or take profit or your enter point. So you with these horizontal lines, you can create that for yourself that you can see visually where you are and what are you doing. Then the next one also interesting is the vertical line. You can use it for show some point that interesting for you. I don't know, like let's say in 2 days will be the dividend date where I'm gonna get my payment. So I can put here like this. I know that in 2 days gonna be the dividend or maybe gonna be some important news. I can represent visually in which time will be that one. Like this, I can say in 2 days I need to be carefully, and this is a remind me for that. Then we have also lines that we can draw in like these trend lines. Like when we connect 2 points of a graphic, we can create a trend line. We have arrays, segments. If you just want to draw in just a small detail that you are interested, you can also draw in there. You have also the Fibonacci, how I told you. You have a video only about that. You can look in the video. But I can say you that you can use it for find important support zone or resistance levels, or even for find targets for take profit or stop loss. You can even make there. Then we have rectangles example. You can use it for represent visually some important information for you that you want to remember, or some choppy market you are in lateral tendencies you want to draw, and you can use the rectangle also. You have the channel. The channel is really interesting tool for show a possible channel that is moving. That is, we can see the maximum and the minimums. It may be interesting for make trading also. Like this, we have many of them. Like you can see, it's very simple. The measurement, like I can tell you, you can measure the distance between 2 points. Like this, you know how much pips or points of dollar is moving the market. So this is how it's working the graphicator. Like you can see, it's very simple. You can have also the pro chart version. It means the pro version of the graphicator. You have also a video about that. Just write in pro chart Lion Bull Academy and you will find the video. You can change colors also here. You can, example, what is here in the configuration? You can go in dark them, like you can see him in dark or light. You can really make comfortable your graphicator for you. So the next step I advise to you is just to start play with the graphicator, start try to make analysis. Remember, you have all these playlists that you can study for learning how to make better analysis, and slowly start take more security in how to make your own analysis, and don't need to looking for nobody make your analysis for you, and you can start understand how is moving the market and how to take advantage for that in your speculation. So thank you one more time for looking the video. You have some question, just comment me down below. If you like the video, just please click the like button and subscribe to the channel, the best way you can support this channel. And if you want to support financially the channel, the only stuff I ask you is to subscribe in eToro with my link of affiliate. Like this, when you start really trading for real in the account, eToro will pay to me. That's the best way you can support me financially, by just doing what you are start learning to do it. Without need to really need to give me no €1. Will be eToro who give it to me. So thank you one more time. See you next time, guys. Ciao.